Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Nissan X-Trail. This car have a problem, engine light on and sometimes inside warning light came, chassis control system fault, you can see here, and that's the problem. So today I will show you why this warning light came and how we can solve this problem. Okay, so first of all we check with our computer, and we got fault in engine 1 and ABS, which is one P2004 tumble content valve and engine signal. Now I will show you where is the location this sensor P2004. That means this sensor I think damaged, that's why this warning light came. This is the engine room and this is the sensor P2004. You can see here this one. This is other car, this name purge valve, but in this car tumble valve like this sensor have problem. This is common issue in Nissan X-Trail, Nissan Pathfinder and Nissan RAW, every car. So if your car have same problem, you have to replace this sensor. Okay, this one.